Thank you for joining me. Look at this sentence. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to count the number of F's in it. Here goes. How many did you count? There was actually 10. And did you notice the spelling mistake? Yes, it should have been of, not off. These are two words that many young writers mix up. So let's find out. When do we use of and when do we use off?
Of is a word that helps us to show connection between two things. Off, on the other hand, does the opposite. It shows disconnection or separation between two things. Tim put on the hat of Joe. Of tells us that the hat and Joe have a connection. It's Joe's hat, though Tim is putting it on. The wind blew the hat off his head. Off tells us that the hat has become disconnected or separated from Tim's head. Let's look at some other examples to make the difference between of and off clearer. Trevor fell off his bike. Trevor is no longer connected to his bike. Oh dear. Tina breathed in the sweet smell of the rose. The smell and the rose are connected. This makes it clear where the sweet smell is coming from. The wind blew the leaves off the tree. The leaves are no longer connected to the tree. The sound of the ocean is very relaxing. Of helps make it clear that the sound is connected to the ocean. It's the sound of the rippling waves that is relaxing.
So, in a nutshell, of shows a connection and off shows a disconnection.
Let's see if you can apply what you've learnt. In the following 5 sentences, should we use of or should we use off? The taste is connected to the soup, so we need to use of. The car is no longer connected to the road, so we need to use the word off. The helicopter is no longer connected to the ground, so we need to use off. The weight is connected to the present, and to show this connection, we will use of. We are leaving home in order to get to school. Off helps show that we are separating ourselves from home.